Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the 3i G10 Plus. If you're interested in the G10 Plus, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, download the 3i app from your app store. Doesn't matter, iOS or Android devices, it's compatible with both. Once you have it downloaded, sign in or create your account. Once you do, you'll be at this screen where you can add your device. So we're going to select the big purple Add Device button. We can scan a QR code or we can manually add it. So if you have a QR code, most likely it's going to be maybe on the underside like it is with this particular model. So we have our code right there. We're going to scan it. And now we can go ahead and confirm the device is on. Press and hold the network configuration button for 3 seconds. When you hear the voice prompt, reset Wi-Fi. Then basically we're good to proceed. So let's go ahead, let's do that now. Hold that down.
Reset Wi-Fi to enter network configuration mode.
So we got the voice prompt, the light has changed. We're going to go ahead and select next. Now at this screen, we need to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next. Now it's working on setting up the device.
Please wait.
Got a voice prompt, it's connecting that we need to wait. It's going through a checklist right now.
Connection succeeded.
Voice prompt connection succeeded. Now the app is updated. There we go, guys. We have set everything up. It's that simple. Probably take you around 60 seconds, 2 minutes at the most.